Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram story music option not working properly. Let's start. First step, open your phone settings. Tap on settings. Now scroll down. Find here apps. Tap on apps. Tap on apps management. Now tap on search and type here Instagram. Now tap on Instagram. You can see here storage. Tap on storage. Now we can see here clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear data. Tap on delete. After tap on delete, go back your home screen. Now open your Play Store application. Tap on search icon and type here Instagram. Update your Instagram apps if it is available. You can see my Instagram apps already updated. Tap on open. Now tap on story icon. Now tap on music. You can see how well music is working. Select on any music. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.